Greetings everybody, yeah man, one more episode, one more day. We're there up at Dino place right now and me have a little bridge in them. What's the name again?
Paris, Najari.
Me and Najari, him a Paris and Vienna.
Man, blessings. Najari
Yeah,
and Paris
Yeah.
and
Vienna.
Gianna.
Yeah.
Gianna.
live round here.
Okay. Yeah man. So you don't know. And we just see some cane sucker what them need little help because them people them damage the thing them man, so we are try plant out some of them, take out some so it can grow up luscious and nice, you know. So I have some here. I'm gonna go down on the farm and plant out some of them. So yeah, when we go down on the farm, link up with you again. Yes everybody. Reach down on the farm. I don't know. Light up my fire. Cause we don't want no mosquito man. And all my vibes. Yeah. The next to the water tank. I have the key in them in another bag, yeah. You see me? So I think we just gonna plant up some right or so. So I'll clear a nice little spot. And then we just have put one up on the tripod so you can see me and clear it. So yeah. Everybody, I have a little area clear. So you don't know as me I go start planting them things. I just clear it a little better, you don't know. Yeah, get for bust a little sweat. You don't know at 12 o'clock sun, so yeah. It's rough in the sun there. I'm there in a jacket and sitting down. Yeah. So I plant out them thing here now. Yeah, so get the cane. Jano, sun rough. Just have to just work with it with the sun. So I'm just turn away from the sun. Well, so the light can shine upon me. So yeah. Gonna see the up close of what I do now. Yeah. You don't know same procedures what I showed you yesterday. Right. Then just dig out liquor. Because you want to keep the dirt nearby, you don't want to kick it around like how me do. Show me have the camera in my hand, but you don't know. See the cane have like a root and thing and more stem up from the bottom. So yeah. So you don't know. I'm going to try to hold the camera and do this. Let me just catch it like here. Alright. And just cover it. Simple. Who this a farming hard again? Please remind me who says so. Don't know. So simple process like that. So I set one up again, so just watch me plant out the rest. Here everybody, see that? Couple minutes. I know we're gonna have cane for years. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright, 7. Godly number. Yeah, man. Good man. Look how my bus sweat. Let me turn from the sun. Look at this. Go sweat. You see sweat? Yo. Yes, fire. Man, no need for go gym. No need for go gym, fire. Like them I tell you. Only if you live in an apartment and you don't have nowhere else to go. Not even that. If you have an apartment, run up and down the stairs. Where you up on? You see me? Probably I'll do the laundry. Don't take the elevator. You see me? You talk about you can't get exercise like me in the country. Nah, man. And you just have to look fit. Instead of take the elevator, you walk up the stairs. Not even walk, you run up the stairs. You see me? Bust sweat, get your heart pumping. You see me? Or you pay how much gym member fee and then you end up not even go gym. What you there on? You see me? I mean, now while up nobody still, I just say yo, just give thanks for which part you're there and what you have. And just utilize what you have. You see me? Because, alright, enough man will look upon what me I do and I say, yo, enough work that me now do them work there. No sir, in a hot sun, no sir. Sweat up man face and get man blacker than how me black already. You don't know. No man, I have to say yo, good exercise that just a while ago, you know. Come here bust sweat. Yeah man. Good exercise, is it? And a nice little sauna vibes. Me not have to go sauna. I just put on a jacket and go in the sun. See it there? I'm a sweat out off a sweat out. You see me? Yeah? So yes, people. You don't know the procedure. Check on the thing them. Aloe vera this. Yeah? You have the wild cabbage them. See the migla stand up. And it's still green and nice, so yeah. Catch man, tomato them look nice. Look like the ashes are do it well. Yeah man. Potassium in them system you know, see there? Man now for buy fertilizer. Just add some ashes in this, could I? Yeah man, beautiful. Jano, no man. Them a shoot up nice, every one of them. You know the ashes. We never know it would make a big difference in just one day. One day. Look at that. Look at this one. Green. Nice. Yo. Jano. So this is how it look when it dry. Them all look nice. Look like them could have do it look water right now still. So we just look at the strawberries patch. Yeah man. Ashes win. Means I believe you in the ashes you know. Could have them one? Luscious. Green. All that a shoot up. Potassium in our system. Look at that. This is flowering. You see that, guys? This strawberry is flowering. Look at this, beautiful. The ashes is doing it well. My gosh. Yeah. Beautiful. Alright. I could check on the seed bed. I have to be careful not to touch these bushes, you know, because you have ticks on some of them. So I try sidestep the bush. Because eventually everything will cut down still. Little by little when we just plant out the plots. You see me? So nobody cuss me say the place bush up. Because look how we do the cane part just a while ago and we clear out a spot. We do the tomato, we clear out a spot. So strawberry clear out a spot. So every time we plant out things, our next spot clear out from the bushes. Yeah, so we have the ashes, the seed bed where we put the ashes. Yeah, we're checking for the spot where I put the peanut right now. Don't see any shooting up yet. Checking for the herbs. Don't see any herbs shooting up. Don't see any right now. Scallion over here is still dry out, kind of fine. Alright, the watermelon. Oh, see it here, insects eating the watermelon, guys. Look at that. My gosh. Insects on it right now. I don't know if you guys can see it. They're even flying insects. Can you see? They're eating the watermelon. So So I need to spray them with something before they eat it off. And even multiply and spread to the rest. My gosh. Yeah. But the ashes seem to be doing everything else wonderful. Look at that. Man, look at this. The cabbage is doing remarkably wonderful. And the pak chai, man. Oh, look at this cucumber bed. It's looking very luscious. Look at that. And the carrots. Okay, nice. Yeah. So that's an update. I don't know. Every time I come in on the farm, I just check on everything first. See how them doing. Like I see the watermelon now. The insects eating them very hard. So what we need to do is get some neem leaf, because neem is a natural pesticide and insect repellent. So I get some neem leaf, boil it in some water, and use that water now, put it in a spray bottle and spray the plant with that neem water, and that is natural pesticide. So tomorrow I'll be bringing that water with me, that neem water. Hopefully they don't die off, because the insects are eating them very fast. Jano. And I need to spray everything else with the neem water, because Jano can't lose the croppings one to insects, you know? So, alright, that is why commercial farmers, they use very harsh pesticides and fertilizers, because of they need their crop to grow big and strong. But they are not aware of natural pesticides and natural fertilizer. So because of their lack of knowledge, they're letting everybody perish because of greed. So they want money. They don't want to see their crops to die. So what they do? Spray it with the pesticide. So what? Some of them don't even eat the crop. All they do is just sell it, because they know they spray it with a lot of chemicals just to get a big money, you know? So business is business, they would say. Well, now the insects moving on to the cucumber now, you know. Let me show you. Look, this one eat up. Insects flying around. Oh my gosh. I need even Jano. So yeah, neem oil definitely tomorrow, because we don't want to lose this. Some insects, some flying insect coming and eating off everything right now. Excuse me, Jano. Yeah. So yeah man, neem water tomorrow. Jano. And they were doing so good, man. The insects just come overnight and just deal with it. So next time in the future, I just prepare for them and just spray it before they can even reach it. You know? Yeah. So I'll go and water them thing now and link up with them soon again. Yes everybody, just done water everything. I just the cane left for water. So I say I come see me water the cane before we finish up, you know? You see me out of my breath. God is good. Good for exercise, man. So see you cane them here. Just water them, so I have my water bucket. Just give them some water to encourage them growth. Because them go through a drastic change. Alright, that looks like a good puddle. Bring the bucket a little closer. Yeah. So cane not hard for catch, you know. Cane not hard to catch at all. Let me tell you, I love cane, you know. I'll get a cane juicer too. So I can juice some nice proper cane. I have some cane juice in my fridge more time, you know. Put the whole of them, you know. Yeah, suppose me make you watch my water everything. Man. So I just show you my water the cane them alone. Because it we just plant, you know. Yeah. The cane will drop down a little heavy. John, how you can firm it up. Because sometimes you can just use your foot to and firm up the dirt. See it all look firm now. Need some water. Encourage the growth. Look like we need some ashes for them here too. Oh, I have ashes at the fire, you know, so I don't have to bring it from too far. So tomorrow before I water them, we just add little ashes. Yeah. Everything with water. I saw weed out there, man. I saw one little coca here. Look like it a dry up little, just give it little water. Cause them coca here, them just naturally grow up on the land, you know. Eat little water for boost him up, cause long time rain no fall, man. Long time, a good shower rain. Yeah. Oh, don't know my French time. The French mint. Add little water. And then you have a mint tree. This is Jamaican mint, peppermint. Yeah. We add some ashes to it the other day. We just add some water now. Want to make sure it's properly hydrated, man. I'll add some in the leaf. Encourage growth. Yeah. I don't know. Continue to see the progress on them here. Them look alive. Like I say, look at that. Them look alive, man. It's alive, it's alive. Look at this cocoa, naturally grown. So, yeah, and the aloe vera. You know, so, and I water the tomatoes. See them look wet now. And them are going good. Tomato them are going good, you know. The whole heap of work, man. When no rain no fall and thing, it rough in a Babylon. Yeah. Now look how this one, it kinda yellowish. I wonder if I give too much water. Maybe it's a every other day thing. Them start look yellowish, man. Maybe too much water. So maybe it's a every other day I will come. Or water these every other day. Come, I know the strawberry need them every day still. But yeah, also the progress. Yeah man, we know that one is probably long, Jano. So thanks for stick around. Thanks for watch everything. Yeah, see Rasta man about sweat. The on the farm I deal with the works, man, is it. Give thanks. Life good. Just have to just get up and do it. You know? Go on our last look on the cane them we just plant. Yeah. Do them in a nice little row. So in the future to come, you're gonna see the update on them. Oh, and this is a pear tree with chocho growing on it as well. So we have chochos. See the chocho tree over the dry side over this one over here. But the vine grow up and go all over the thing. You see me? Love chocho too. Some chocho on this pear tree as well. And chocho on that jackfruit tree up the top, you see it? Yeah. So in the future, we show no more place on the land, man. Enough things on the land, you know. Look how the land big. Enough things we show no man, so I want to see everything, you know. So we see everything. So everybody, thanks for watching. One perfect love. Blessings. See you in the next one. Tomorrow. Again. You see it, so it's an everyday thing. Farm is an everyday thing, you know. Get you active. And if you feel like it or if you want, because if you don't feel like, that's how the plant them dead. So you have to want good for yourself. So you have to just get up and do it. You know? Yeah. Blessings, you know. Rasta man on the farm, in the mountains. Yeah. Blessings.